My name is Kamilah Todd, and we are going to analyze this coaching instruction data to determine if there's a significant difference in bowler scores after 15 minutes of individualized coaching. So, our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in bowling scores after 15 minutes of individual training from an expert bowler. So first, we have to determine the difference in bowler scores from game one to game two. So we're going to go to transform. We want to compute a new variable, and we can name that variable different. We're going to move game two minus game one and select OK. And we see here that the program has calculated the difference from game two from game one. Next, we want to see if these differences are normally distributed. So we go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and we're going to go to Explore, and we're going to move different, our new variable, into the dependent list. But a plot, we would like a histogram, and we're checking normality. We do not need a stem and leaf. And we select OK. So we have 20 data points that we evaluated. And we're going to measure the Shapiro-Wilk value. And there's a significance of 0.337, which is greater than 0.05. So that indicates that our data is normally distributed. The differences are normally distributed. Next, we're going to conduct a paired t-test. So we will go to Analyze, Compare Means. We want a paired sample t-test. And we're going to pair games one and game two. So game one before the individualized coaching, game two is 15 minutes after, or after 15 minutes of individualized coaching. And we select OK. So game one had a mean of 90 with a standard deviation of 13.541. Game two had a mean of 94.95 with a standard deviation of 14.318. When we compare the two, they have a mean of negative 4.950, measuring the differences in the means, and we see that they're not that different, significantly different. A standard deviation of 13.137, a t-value, the average differences of the means, of negative 1.685, 19 degrees of freedom, and a significance of 0.108, which is greater than 0.05, which indicates that there is no significant difference between bowler scores after 15 minutes of individualized coaching. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis.